All right, here we go. U.S. General toolbox cart. I love it. I will look up the link and give you exactly what it is, but I have been using this thing from day one. I think it's amazing. Let me show you from the bottom up what we got here. So I have extra diapers, paper towels, and some boogie wipes and extra wipes. And then this right here in the front is actually just the things you might need to just change a diaper in general. Real quick little, I have all these little bins everywhere. You could pick it up and put it on top. So wipes, diapers, prevention, bubbles, because if you like to have a little bit of fun up there, calming oil, and then I love these anywhere wipes. I use them to clean this off all the time, and sanitizer. So let's work our way up. Like I said, I've got labels for everything. So diapers. In my diaper area though, we have all kinds of diapers. I have mentioned in my other videos, we do not stick to one brand. I feel like it's better to change it up, like just all different kinds, and then some with the line for the daytime only. All these we use at night primarily, but that way you are avoiding diaper rash by having the same exact diaper sitting on your little guy or little girl all day long. So just change it up some, and I think it'll really help you avoid that. Tons of onesies to change into, and then I really like this. I was super surprised. This Advanced Healing Ointment. I'll post a link for it. It's Parent's Choice. I've been really impressed with Parent's Choice so far. And then plain Vaseline for just our little guy still is healing up for his circumcision, so we have that. And then the Pure Wipes. I love those. So let's do next. Accessories. Oh, we're opening the wrong one. Okay. So I've not used a lot of these bibs. They're kind of big for the size of my little guy. I think they're going to be for when he's older. You can see my drawers gotten a little messy, but these hats, again, when it's cold outside, they're nice, and these clips are more for when he's older. We've got some sunglasses. I have a 1-month-old, and these just about fit now, so I'll post a link for them. These little mittens are pretty helpful. We use them a lot initially. Right now, we're not using them so much, but that's okay. So next drawers are going to be your pacifiers and teethers, burp cloths, and personal care. So teethers, he's not really using a whole lot of these yet. These are actually jaw grading things for different sounds and stuff. Like I said, speech therapist. And he's not using this yet. He doesn't really like it. But right now, these are the only pacifiers my little guy will touch. I will definitely post a link for them. I think they're the best. We have them all over the house. Some of these I think will be really great. This is going to be helpful when we start working on brushing teeth and stuff, just getting him used to having something else like that in his mouth. So I'm really excited about these things. We're just not there yet. And then up top, I keep burp cloths. These are like the ones I use at night, and then for his face to wash off, they're really soft. I just like to keep those on him for spit up. My little personal care area. We are not using sunblock, not till 3 months, but I do have it in here. We have used the Aquaphor some. It's helpful. And then, like I've mentioned before, bulb syringes are everywhere, a little brush. I really like this thermometer. We have checked it just one time. He was just super, super hot. And I think it was just our house is warm, but it showed that he was not in trouble. So I really like that. It's super fast, too. Just some lotions and things. We haven't used most of this, just not yet, but we'll have it on hand for when we do need it. This little chest rub, that'll probably be really nice when he's sick. And then I keep some of these things all over, these little just basic CPR guides. I can post another link. I got it on Pinterest, but just God forbid you're panicked. It's really good to have these. I have one in here, I have one in the kitchen, just all around the house. I use for this a mattress. Love this mattress. I will post the link for it. And then I put just plain old Parent's Choice crib sheets on it. And then I've talked about these a lot. These are the liners and protectors. They're waterproof. I just cut them to size, and I feel like right now this is his size, so I have it there just where I change his diaper. This tray was assembled separately, but I suggest buying it. It's really helpful. You can put it down if you like to, but I like to keep it up primarily. It does not get in my way, but some people might prefer it be down, but it goes down nice and flat against the sides. So your call. That is our changing table. So I'm very proud of it. Hope you guys like it. Bye.